What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch. Now this is the 1 terabyte hard drive one. I believe this one is close to $3,000 on apple.com. So today we're going to be unboxing. We're going to be showing you what comes in the box, and I will be making another video in the next coming weeks regarding its official review. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we open everything up, just want to give you an overview of the specs. So like I mentioned before, this is a 16-inch model, so it is more expensive than the 13-inch. I chose the 16-inch personally because the 13-inch for me is just, the screen is too small. So I did go with the 16-inch. I thought it's just a better investment long-term, although anything, technology is never a good investment. But with this, it does feature a 1 terabyte hard drive, a 2.3 gigahertz 8-core processor, and 16 gigabyte of 2666 megahertz DDR4 memory. So this is a very powerful computer. I'm just giving you the overview. I don't want to bore you with too much details, but this is, I would say, one of the top of the line MacBook. It's not the best. I'm sure you can customize it to something more expensive. I saw other YouTubers out there that bought a fully customized one for about $5,000 or $6,000, something in that field. But I just stuck with this one. This one was close to $3,000, and I thought that filled my requirements for what I want in a computer. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So unboxing it now. First impressions is the box is very sturdy. It just feels very well built. I mean, let me just show you to the camera how thick this is. Very thick. The reason why the plastic looks a little beaten up, I did open this up already. I did keep all the packaging, everything as is, so that way it's somewhat of an authentic unboxing. But yeah, then you take this flap, take it out. We'll come back to the laptop in a second. Right here, you have the Type-C charger. Right here, you have the instruction manuals and I'm sure stickers. There's always stickers included. Yep, told you. And a little bit more about it. And I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. And then you have the actual wall port that you connect the USB-C to charge your laptop. So take that out. Yeah, pretty basic. Same as the others, really. So that is the unboxing, and let's go back to the laptop. So right here, laptop. Let's remove all the plastic. So you open it up, and then you have this piece of plastic that comes with it. Right here. Let's take a closer look to it. First impressions, honestly, it's just the build quality. Apple never disappoints, and hence why they ask for, their price tag. First thing you notice when the computer is powered on is this beautiful touch bar. So this has really all what you need without you utilizing the trackpad as much. So this has your volume up, down, and right here, it's not really up, down. It's from low to high. And then you can mute, and then the brightness, you can adjust that from the touch bar. You can add a bookmark of one of the websites you visited. You can add one of the websites you visited to your favorites. You can also press this to start searching for where you're looking to go. Then there's the refresh bar, and then there's the back button, I'm sorry. So if you want to go back to the previous page on the internet, you just press that instead of using your trackpad and taking the mouse all the way to the top corner. So very useful just right off the bat. Another thing you notice is the trackpad. So let me just bring it up here. You notice that the trackpad is gigantic. It's multifunctional. It hasn't been giving me a lot of hard time so far, but let's see how that goes down the road. But this has been the unboxing of the MacBook Pro. If you enjoyed, let us know, give us a like, subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I always make it a mission of mine of responding to any of your questions that you may have. So thank you so much for watching. Take care.